How to add a custom menu to your app in AppSheet. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a custom menu to your app in AppSheet. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on AppSheet, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is AppSheet, it is a no-code application development platform owned by Google that allows users to create custom mobile and web applications without writing traditional code, in which it enables individuals and businesses to build powerful data-driven apps using data from sources like Google Sheets, Excel, SQL databases, and many more. With its intuitive interface, users can design applications tailored to their workflow needs, incorporating features such as forms, workflows, GPS tracking, barcode scanning, and notifications. So now to create an account, just click the Get Started on the top right corner or the link in the description where you can log in right here using your Google, Microsoft, Apple ID, Dropbox, and many more. And after successfully signing in, you will be directed on this app sheet. But before we start adding a custom menu, the first thing that we need to do is to click the Create button on the left side panel and click App. And just click here Blank App or Start with Template. And I'm going to choose this blank app. And from here, just simply proceed by simply entering here the name of the application that you are creating and also choose the category below. So for example, I'm going to choose Mikasa, and for the category of it, I'm going to choose this property management and click Create App. Upon clicking the Create App button, you'll be able to be directed on the page in here, but you should be able to wait for it to load. Then you'll be able to see here your Mikasa app is now being ready or your application. Now it will show us on the right side panel the preview of it, where you can start customizing this one by clicking any of the elements. For example, this logo, by clicking this pencil icon, you can choose your app logo. For example, I'm going to choose the home in here. Now aside from that, you could also navigate to show some other header name, menu buttons, and many more. Now on the left side panel, to start creating or adding a custom menu, just simply click this views. And upon clicking this views, you should be able to see here some of the table. And I'm going to start entering here the menu or the table. For example, I'm going to name this home. And you could also choose here the kind of data, which is this table 1. And for the view type, we have here also either calendar view, rock view, table, gallery, and many more. Now below, you could also sort it by date, ascending or descending orders. And you'd also change the position of it depending on your preferences. So I'm going to choose, for example, this rock option as the view type for our homepage menu button. And now to see the changes, just click the save button on the top right corner in order to successfully save it. By doing so, you should be able to see here the changes that has been changed. And to add a custom menu, just click the add button or the plus button in here. And after that, on this pop-up window, just simply enter what kind of view or buttons you want to create. You could also select some of the suggestions below here for adding a views to your app. And at this point, I'm just going to enter the view name. For example, in here, I'm going to change this into customer. Then below, you could also change for this data or the table to be displayed with, which is table 1. But you can edit this one also by navigating this one and also start choosing the key, label, the formula, and many more. And even going to date. Now after that, below here under view type, you could also change what type of view in here. We have here gallery, a map, a calendar, a rock, table, and many more. And aside from that, you could also change the position of it below. Let's say I'm going to change to make it on the last part, which is besides the home. You could also navigate to change the image size of it depending on your preferences. And you could also click the display button to change the icon. For the customer, I'm going to simply choose this one, for example, by clicking on it. So as you can see, we have now successfully changed the icon of this button. You can also navigate some of the behavior option, documentation, and many more. But now to save the changes, just click the save button on the top right. So you should be able to see here that the changes has now been added. And we have now successfully add here or create another button. So you can do the same process of adding a new one and also choosing some of the suggested button that you can create in here. Let's say gallery and click create a new view. And from here under view name, I'm going to enter again another name which is gallery. And for the view type, I'm going to choose the gallery type. Or alternatively, you can choose also this onboarding or card option. Now moving on under position, I'm going to change this to make it on the middle. And after that, you could also change the image in here if you want to add one, the title, the assignee, the short blurb, second short blurb, and even the icon of it. And from here, I'm going to choose this icon for the gallery, which is this one. And again, to save the changes, just click the save button on the top right corner. But you could also enter here some of the display name, some of the also behavior options to navigate. But to save it, just click the save button on the top right. So basically, as you can see, we've now successfully create here or add a custom menu in our app in AppSheet. Thank you.